Hi, I'm Clay Bennett, National Technical Product Specialist for Task Lighting. Today I want to talk about our kits. This is our retail kit and our contractor kit. Lots of instructions on the box so the customer can go up and look at it and decide if this is what they want. We have over 70 kits available. The contractor kit contains easy to read instructions and a bag containing everything needed to do a 16-foot kitchen. Contains a 25-foot roll of wire, a 16-foot roll of tape, 12 easy connectors, an adhesion promoter wipe, a power supply, either 24 or 60 watts depending on the tape, a switch, a touch dimmer switch, or an Uno wireless system, and a screwdriver to assemble everything with. So everything needed for a standard 16-foot kitchen. Now, if they have a more complex system, we do have Quattro kits available up to 4 zones. Now I want to explain some of the benefits of our kits. Who would use this kit? This is a great product for the shelf, either the retail version or the contractor version. Customer comes in and buys his cabinets to take home and install today. Here's your lighting package. Everything you need in one box. We have our standard Radiance or Vivid tape in all 4 colors available, the adhesion promoter wipe in here, and the screwdriver. But another thing I like about this kit is we have customers that say, I don't understand lighting. I don't do lighting because it's so complicated. This is what you need to install lighting. Now I want to show you the retail kit. It's a 4-color box. You can open the box and see the product still sealed inside the package. You can see what the product is. You can see that there's wireless dimmer and receiver. There's a screwdriver. There's a roll of tape. There's a 3M adhesion promoter wipe. There's a power supply. Your connectors and your wire are all in the box. Everything needed. So these are basically the same kits with different packaging, depending on the customer. So thank you for watching our video about our retail kit and our contractor kit.